what is it, a Monte Carlo? Or,
Yeah.
I saw him and I said, this is a car that look up and whooping on. He said, who been whooping on this? I was like, man, come on now.
Oh, you see that? He see that car. Oh, it's here tonight? Oh, man, he finna fuck with me. Yeah, he finna fuck with me. I gotta make a shake. Damn, man, I'm gonna check the tire pressure tonight. I'm gonna get, off the trailer, man. I'm gonna tell him, come on right now. Pull behind me. Whatever you do, just make sure you stay with the car. I see you walking away from me. Stay with the car, dude. Damn, a la verga, lookout racing. Mira, mira. Yo quiero. I need somebody. Who I know? I don't know nobody right here. I need to know somebody right here, man. Hey! Oh, damn. He watching me the whole way I leave. I'm scared. Feel like the law's watching me. Dude, they just moved. Move your car. Hey, miss, how you doing?
Good.
Where you been? My YouTube, somebody on my YouTube channel, they said, I could remember, they was talking about you, miss. Getting the car ready, y'all. Look, they talking about that's her. That's who, yeah, miss, that's who they was talking about. She just got, it's ready now?
Ready now.
Okay, it's ready now, y'all. We finna see what she working with in a minute, y'all. We finna see what she working with. I heard one of them little things up there. Oh, I got some new shit up here. Look, y'all. Let's see what that bottle pressure on. Casey McKinney. Look out. What's up with it, man? You ready now? Wait, man. Dang. I thought you was. All right, I got it. So many of us blocked on other streams. Okay. Damn, it might be time to move my car, y'all. Let me go see. I know OG running back there looking. Ooh. That bitch sound good though. I like that starter right there, y'all. Yeah. I used to love them things when I was little, and I felt like, boy, if you had that starter on an old motor, boy, I used to like, yeah, he doing something. That's how I used to tell if you was doing something. Back in the day, before LS motors came out, if your stuff crunk up with that raspy flywheel shim, knee shim there, starter, I just think you got some bullshit. But if you got that starter that like the one he got up here, let me see if I can catch him. Let me hear that starter. I used to think, boy, he got a bad, ooh. And then they came out with the LS motor. Hell, they put badass starters on there. I'm like, yeah. That shit come with a badass starter. Ooh, whatever starter that was. I don't like to hear that one. Ooh, okay. Oh yeah, he gonna crank it up again. Okay, bottle too hot. Yeah, buddy, let's go. Look out. Oh, is Limp in here? He ain't in here, is he? Won't you bring some of your friends and let's fuck it up? You on my YouTube channel?
Hell no, what's your YouTube?
Look Out Racing.
Racing?
Yeah, look out, look out. All right, Ben, I'm finna get you a call. You come back around?
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Oh my God, you?
Let me get my cars ready. Oh, he is here. Hey. Right lane. Oh, they done crunk up Ruthless, y'all. Let's see what Ruthless talking about, y'all. I want to hear that starter again so I can show you. Look out, got security. Okay, they done hired somebody new. I'ma holler at them in a minute. Okay. Look out, Limp Belly. Let me see, we're gonna they got a new top flight, y'all. I'm glad he cut it off again, y'all. I'm finna get to hear this starter again.